Hello everyone, welcome to BISP trainings. So today I will be providing you a brief overview of FDMEE Cloud on what is there in FDMEE Cloud, which are the products which comes associated with it, and how is it different from on-premise FDMEE. So let's get started. Very firstly, FDMEE Cloud is also known as Light FDMEE. The reason being so is it is still FDMEE with a few limited features. So there are a few features which are present in the FDM on-prem version and are not present in cloud yet. However, there are a few features in FDME cloud which are also not present in on-prem. So it is either way, like few features are there in on-prem which are not there in cloud, while few features are there in cloud which are not there in on-prem. Again, it is a very user-friendly interface as we have in on-premise FDMEE. So the interface and the look and feel of FDME cloud is still the same. However, functionality-wise, there are certain things that are changed, especially in the integration part. Okay, so on-prem FDME can be connected to a wide variety of source system such as SAP, Oracle, GL, or any other source system. However, in the cloud FDMEE, we have a few limitations on the source system, such as we can connect to a few cloud ERP system, such as Oracle Financials Cloud or Fusion Cloud or HCM Cloud and so on. One or two source systems we have. However, file-based integration is also there. FDME Cloud comes pre-built with all of the cloud EPM products, such as it comes pre-built with PBCS, it comes pre-built with ePBCS, FCCS, and ARCS. So FCCS is Financial Consolidation Cloud Service, Account Reconciliation Cloud Services, ARCS. So it comes pre-built with these four products. It doesn't comes with the reporting cloud. It doesn't comes along with it. So PBCS, ePBCS, FCCS, and ARCS, like these are the four products, EPM cloud products, where you will get FDME pre-built along with them. Okay, so it is just a single subscriptions which you have to subscribe, and both the products, like along with the planning cloud, you will get the FDME cloud as well. Okay, now few of the functionality of FDME cloud are as follows, like it can be used data to load data into ASO and BSO plan types, both of them. However, you can also use FDME to move data across plan type. Like if you want to move data from ASO to BSO or BSO to ASO, that is also possible. That simply means that you can use EPM applications as or EPM plan types as a source. Okay. Further, uh, with FDME cloud, we get a new method of deployments. It is known as hybrid deployments. So when I say hybrid deployment, it is the deployment in which the project consists of both partial cloud and partial on-premise deployment. So all these products, PBCS, ePBCS, FCCS, can be deployed in a hybrid format. When I say hybrid format, you can connect them to a cloud FDME, and you can also connect them to an on-premise FDMEE. So let's say you want to move data from an on-prem HFM application to a cloud PBCS application. It is possible using on-premise FDMEE. However, if you want to load data from one PBCS instance to a different PBCS instance using FDME cloud, it is possible. Or you want to load data from any file system to a PBCS cloud, it is also possible. So a combination of both cloud and on-prem deployment is known as hybrid deployments. So we have in hybrid deployments cloud to cloud integration and on-prem to cloud integration as well. Further, a new feature that came in FDME cloud and it is not there in on-premise FDME is that the support for textual data load and the support for drivers. So using FDME cloud, you can load textual data into the target system. So let's say you want to load smart list to the planning application, you can do that. You can load dates to the planning application, you can do that. So the textual data load is now supported with FDME cloud. So this is a feature which is not yet available in on-premise FDME. Further, there is a new feature which is known as drivers. So drivers is also a feature in FDME cloud which is not present in FDME on-premise. So with the help of drivers, you can load data in a very different format. So driver based data can also be now loaded into FDME. Okay. Now we will also discuss few ideal business cases where it which is optimum for loading data into FDMEE or for using FDME cloud, let's say. So let's say we are in a situation where you want the data to be loaded into target application and you want the aggregated value. Okay, let's say we have an hierarchy where I am loading data into let's say we have an hierarchy where I am loading data into two entities, entity 1 and entity 2, and both are child of entity. Okay, so after the data gets loaded, we aggregate the data and we are able to see the aggregated value at the entity. However, I also want the data to be aggregated in FDME and loaded to any suspense member. Let's say I want to load it to NA entity, and then I want to verify that the data at the entity level and the data at the NA entity are both equal. So such cases, such business cases can be supported with the help of FDME cloud. Further, when you are loading data to PBCS, ePBCS, FCCS, since FDME clouds comes pre-built with it, so it is also an ideal situation where you want to load data to all these target systems. So you can run automations using FDME, automate the entire load process using FDME, and it can be automated to the extent when nobody will be logging into the system. Further, let's say there are other situations are like, let's say I'm running all my loads through automations, and with all my new loads I keep on getting new accounts. So in those cases, those new accounts may not necessarily have mappings in the system. So in such cases, I can dynamically map them to a suspense account and get the load done, and then later come and check what data got loaded into suspense account, drill through and back, go through the source files and see the exact records which came into suspense account. Based on that, add the mapping. So what does it helps is, it allows your load to be smooth. Even though you have new accounts members coming in the source file, the load will still be successful without getting failed, even though you don't have mappings in the system. After the data got loaded, the business has to check the data that got loaded into any suspense accounts, and based on that, drill back and see what data got loaded into suspense accounts, and based on that, map those member to the appropriate values. Further, security is very basic in FDMEE, or you have role-based security inbuilt. So these are few features which comes pre-built in FDMEE, and I will be posting more videos on further in details of features, in details of the features that get added into FDMEE and the details of other things. So stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching.